Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Litecoin from Bitmart to Robinhood in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you do it securely and efficiently. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just moving assets around, this transfer can be straightforward if you follow along carefully. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Robinhood. In 2025, platforms like these have enhanced security features, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on both to protect your Litecoin. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the Wallets section and select Litecoin from your asset list. Look for the Withdraw option. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the withdrawal amount, but remember, there might be minimum limits and network fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. Next, on Robinhood, go to your crypto wallet and find the deposit address for Litecoin. In 2025, Robinhood supports direct deposits, but always verify the address to prevent any errors. Copy that address carefully. Back on Bitmart, paste the Robinhood address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything: the amount, the address, and the network. It should be Litecoin's network. Once you're confident, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction will start processing. Now, the waiting game. Transfers usually take 10 to 30 minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Robinhood account for the funds to appear. If there's any delay, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Litecoin's official one. A quick tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, and be aware of any 2025 regulatory changes that might affect crypto transfers. That's it for the steps. By now, your Litecoin should be safely in your Robinhood wallet. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.